Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Let's start next lesson of literature, lesson number 6, Ira becomes a flower gardener. Let's start reading the story. Read the story about how a young girl, Ira, who followed her dream. Ira lives in Indonesia. The meeting room was noisy. Several men had come from the city and were talking to the village headman of Cibiru. They wanted to invest their money in flowers to be sold in Jakarta. There were farmers too from several villages who had to be given some guidance as they had no experience in growing flowers. So, this story is about a young girl whose name was Ira. And in this story, a meeting was held between the investors and the farmers. And some men had come from the city and they were talking to the village headman of Cibiru. And they wanted to invest money. Invest means put money into something to make a profit in flowers to be sold in the capital of Indonesia, that is Jakarta. And there were several farmers too who had to be given some guidance. As guidance means advice, as they had no experience in growing flowers. Now next paragraph. This was the first meeting between the investors and the farmers. After the headman of Cibiru and the investors had spoken, those who were interested in growing flowers were requested to hand in their names to Mrs. Sri. So investors means persons who put money into something in order to make a profit. So this was the first meeting between the investors and farmers. And the farmers who were interested in growing flowers were requested to give their names to Mrs. Sri. Now next paragraph. The neighboring village of Cihazo, which had the most suitable soil and climate for a flower plantation, was represented by a cheerful girl of 14 called Ira. So, the village Cihazo was represented by a girl of 14 years named Ira. Had on their behalf. Was represented by means had on their behalf. Now let's read next page, page number 83. Ira was the eldest of 4 children and the only daughter of her parents. She had always loved flowers, and as the daughter of a farmer, she knew a lot about growing plants. Mrs. Sri put Ira's name on the list and gave her a book with pictures of all kinds of attractive flowers. The next meeting would be held in 3 months. By then, Ira would have to study the book so that she would know the names of the flowers that were suitable for growing in Cihazo, how to plant them and what fertilizers to use. What is the meaning of fertilizers? Substances that are spread on the land or given to plants to make plants grow well. So here Ira was eldest of 4 children and she was the only daughter of her parents and she used to love flowers. So Mrs. Sri put her name on the list and gave her a book on flowers. And next meeting was supposed to be held after 3 months, and till then Ira had to read the book to get knowledge on the names of flowers that were suitable for growing in Chihazo, and how to plant them and which fertilizers to use. So fertilizers are the substances which are given to plants to increase their growth. Now next paragraph. Ira did not look cheerful on her way home. How could she understand what was written in the book if she didn't even know how to read it? So Ira was not happy when she was on her way home. Why she was not happy? Because she was worried that she is not able to read and write. Then how could she read that book? Next paragraph. Oh, how she regretted having thrown away her chance to study. Elementary education was compulsory in her village. But a few weeks after she started school, she got typhoid fever and had to stay at home for a month. When she returned to school, she was already far behind the other children. She grew lazy and used her illness as an excuse, making people believe that high fever had made her unable to learn. She spent most of the time drawing pictures and stopped attending school altogether. So what is the meaning of regretted? Regretted means felt sad about a mistake she had made. So she is feeling sad about her mistake that she had done when she was just a child. So in her village, elementary education was compulsory. Compulsory means as a rule, if something is compulsory, you must do it because of a rule or law. So when she started school, she got typhoid fever and she had to stay home for a month due to that fever. And when she returned to school, she was far behind other children and she grew lazy. Now she grew lazy because she has stayed at home for a month and she started making excuses and she made people believe that high fever had made her unable to learn. Now, when she was a child, she spent most of her time drawing pictures and she stopped attending her school altogether. Now next paragraph. That night, Ira couldn't sleep. Her thoughts were far away in a rose plantation. The next morning, she was tired and irritable. The whole family was worried. Was it because she had to go all by herself? Her father asked himself, but she knew that I had to attend an important meeting to discuss the annual kite competition. The Chihazo villagers had won several prizes in the past, and as before they expected Ira to do the illustration. So what is the meaning of irritable? Becoming annoyed easily. And illustration means drawing or sketch. So Ira couldn't sleep that night because she was worried that how she would be able to read that book. So the next morning she was very tired and irritable. Irritable means she was feeling very angry and her family was worried. Her father thought that she had to go all by herself. That's why she was angry, because his father had to go to attend an important meeting to discuss the annual kite competition. And Chihazo villagers had won several prizes in that competition. And they expected Ira to make the sketch of the kite, make the illustration of the kite. Illustration means sketch of the kite. Now children, let's start next page of this lesson. I am reading page number 84 now. We have to start discussing the design of our kite as soon as we can. Ira's father said, "We only have 3 months." "I also have only 3 months to read the book," thought Ira. She sat for hours under a jambu tree, staring at the blue sky. If she succeeded in this business, she would be able to see and smell roses every day. She smiled, and then she became sad again. "Oh, how can I grow roses if I do not know how to take care of them? If only I could read that book," she sighed. In the afternoon, her friends came to talk about the kite, but Ira became angry. "I don't want to help you," she shouted. "Go away." She ran crying to her room. So what is the meaning of jambu? A fruit that grows in Indonesia and some parts of India. It is called jambak in Kerala and known as wax apple in English. Okay, now Ira is sitting under a tree and she is thinking that if she succeeded in the business of growing flowers, she would be able to smell roses every day. But she became sad again because she thought that if only I could read this book, then only I could become a rose gardener. Now, her friends came to her to talk about the kite, but Ira became angry. Now, next paragraph. Ira's friends and her mother were surprised. Her mother followed Ira into her room. When she saw the book of flowers on the table, she understood at once. Back in the sitting room, she faced Ira's friends. "Ira is in trouble," she told them. "She needs your help to make her dreams come true. Will you teach her to read?" Yes, now what happened after that? Ira went into her room. Her mother also followed her, and she saw a book of flowers on the table. Her mother at once understood why Ira was crying. So she came back and told her friends that Ira needs your help. Now next paragraph. They agreed immediately, and it was decided that Ira's best friend Sari would teach her to read and write. The next morning, Sari came to have a chat with Ira. "This is unbearable. Because I can't read, I won't be able to have that flower plantation I have always dreamed of," Ira cried. "Don't be sad, Ira. I am going to help you. I am going to teach you every day until you are able to read and write." "You mean it?" cried Ira. "Oh, but we only have 3 months' time, and I am expected to help in making the kite." So what is the meaning of unbearable? Means too painful to continue, more to experience. So Ira's friends agreed immediately that, and her best friend Sari, you can see in the picture Sari is sitting with Ira. Sari said that she would teach Ira to read and write. And Ira said that, "I have always dreamed of flower plantation, and this is unbearable," means this is intolerable, that I am not able to read that book on flowers. Now Sari said that, "Don't be sad, I will teach you how to learn and read and write." So Ira told her friend that she only have 3 months time, and I have to help in making the kite also. Now children, let's read next page, that is page number 85. Let's forget the kite for the time being. Knowing your talent, you won't need much time to make the design. Why not concentrate on your lessons first? If you do your best, you will be able to read within 1 month. I will do my utmost, Ira promised. What is the meaning of concentrate? Direct her attention to. And do my utmost means try my best. Now Ira's friend Sari told her that she should concentrate on the lessons first. And Ira said that she will try her best. Next paragraph. Ira made good progress. Soon all her friends joined in teaching her to read, to write, and to take dictation. In the end, the book about flowers was read and discussed in the classroom by all. So what is the meaning of progress? Progress means growth, improvement. Now, Ira showed good progress. And soon all her friends started teaching her to read, write and take dictation. Now, in the end, the book was discussed in the classroom by all. Now next paragraph. Ira was grateful to her friends and one day she told them that it was time to help them with the kite. Everybody was very excited. First they spent many days discussing the shape and design of the kite. Next they brought the materials they needed. Then one of the boys made the kite. Finally, Ira made the illustration. It was a big kite with a long tail, a unique shape with a beautiful design of flowers on it. Now, Ira was thankful to her friends because they helped her to read, write and take dictation. Now, everyone was very excited. Now, it was time for Ira to help her friends in making the kite. So first the shape and design of the kite was discussed, then they bought the materials they needed, then Ira made the illustration, means drawing. And you can see it was a big kite with a long tail and with a design of unique shape. Shape is unique. Unique means, what is the meaning of unique? Very special. And beautiful design of flowers on the kite is there. Now next paragraph. Chihazo won the first prize for the kite's beautiful design of flowers was irresistible. Now that the competition is over, I am going to concentrate on my roses. Ira told her father, the next day I am going to be a rose gardener. So now Chihazo village won the first prize in kite's beautiful design. What is the meaning of irresistible? Irresistible means impossible to find fault with. It means too attractive. The design of the kite was very attractive. And Chihazo won the first prize in kite making. Now Ira told her father that I am going to be a rose gardener. I fully agree with you and promise to help you, said her father. The most important thing is that you should feel happy with your work. A few months passed. Ira's garden had never looked so pretty. The garden was full of roses, marigolds, marguerites and carnations, and in the house, vases full of roses filled every corner of the house. Ira's dream had come true. She had become an accomplished gardener. Now, her father told her that I promised that I would help you to become a rose gardener. Now, after few months, Ira's garden looked so pretty because there were many kinds of flowers in her garden. It was full of roses, marigolds, marguerites and carnations. And in her house also, in every corner, her vases were full of roses. Now, Ira's dream had come true because Ira had become an accomplished gardener. Accomplished means talented gardener. Okay, so Ira worked hard to fulfill her dream of becoming a rose gardener. So we should also learn from this story that we should work hard to achieve our dreams, to make our dreams come true. Thank you, children.